Hello everyone, this is our new YouTube channel, that is CND Courses by Rani. Myself, Rani Sharma, your faculty of the Clinical Nutrition and the Dietetics. I have qualified my NET in a very first attempt, and I have qualified twice times the UGC-NET. I will teach your entire syllabus of undergraduations as well as post-graduations of the Clinical Nutrition and Dietetics. Please go through my entire videos. This will help you to make your notes as well as provide great benefits for preparing your UG examinations or your PG examination. So I hope this video will be useful, and again I request you to like, share and subscribe our channel so that other can also join our video, and they may take the benefits of particular videos and all. So thank you.